Here.
Sorry?
How many days you live here?
I take a video. I stay maybe 7 days.
7 days?
Yes,
Long time.
yes. I arrived before yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
and I enjoy so much.
Yeah. So here, a lot of people go in the back this way.
Yes.
Yeah, and the track. Yeah, so there's a good track, another track.
Yes, yes, I know.
Behind the Mocharo Resort. Yeah, I have the Tasik Point. Yeah, the Tabing Height, looking for the animals.
Yes, yes, I know.
Yeah.
I know that. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. But I was with my friend, but my friend is afraid of flitch, so she decided to come back.
Yeah.
And I have another friend in front of me.
Yeah. So, how many of you come here?
3.
3.
Yes, yes,
Good. Good, yeah?
yes.
No holiday.
So have a nice day.
Yeah.
See you
good,
later.
Right.
Thank you.
Enjoy your holiday, right?
No, don't worry. I enjoy a lot. Bye bye.
So this is the sweat bee. You know?
Yes,
The sweat bee.
the sweat bee. Ah, yeah,
the
yeah,
sweat
yeah.
bee from the tree,
Okay.
The black bear, the light, this the honey.
Honey.
black bear.
Yum.
Yeah.
Okay.
That one.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Bon, ça va. Il était bien sympa. Allez, Danette, on continue?